Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily update your Windows 7 to your Windows 10. So for doing this you just need to download your installation. Here you can see what I write in Google. It's a Windows creation tool, so you just download it, and here you can see it. Just download and open and follow all the steps, and your system will automatically update it from Windows 7 to Windows 10. So just wait after it will load. Download from internet. Open. So just wait after it will load window. So here you can see that it's starting to download. You just follow all the steps. First you download a version and then install it to your computer, update your Windows 7 to Windows 10. So just follow all the steps you need now to do it. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.